In this how-to video, we will be installing the RSio EDS file for Banner's remote safe I/O block on a compact GuardLogix 5380 version 36. And we will be following the directions in Chapter 6 of the Remote Safe I/O Block Product Manual, which is part number 245780. First, what you want to do is download the EDS file for the RSio block from bannerengineering.com. And then in Studio 5000, click on the Tools menu and select Device Description Installation Tool. Please note, in older versions of Studio 5000, it uses EDS Hardware Installation Tool instead. Click on Next, and it'll always come up with Register Device Description Files. Click Next, and this is where we browse for the EDS file. Click on Browse. Select the EDS file that you downloaded from bannerengineering.com. Open it. Click Next. Next again. Next again. Next again. And then Finish. Now the RSio block will appear in the module catalog.